If you're a copywriter or blogger, you know that the only thing you want to do is write, not get bogged down with all of the technical and extracurricular stuff. There is nothing more annoying than multiple people editing your work in Google Docs, tedious back and forths for approval, and then having to copy and paste your article in every single channel to share. Not to mention tracking engagement and success on each individual platform to try and string data together. Well, all of those frustrations are coming to an end with today's product showcase. Hey Sumolings, it's Christy with AppSumo, and today we are talking about StoryChief, the most comprehensive editorial software that we've ever come across. With StoryChief, you can collaborate with your team, publish across all of your channels at once, and get macro and micro level insights on how your content is performing. Let me show you how it works. In your dashboard, simply click Craft a Story. From there, you can add in your content, use their WYSIWYG editor, embed media, and even add social content like Instagram posts directly to your story. You can also invite collaborators and designers and guest writers to work on your project. Once it's ready to go, you can request approval from your editor or go straight to the summary, where you can see and edit things like categories, tags, and SEO settings. Once you get the thumbs up, it's time to blast your content to all of your different channels, your WordPress blog, Medium, RSS feed, social media channels, and email newsletter. Plus, just by creating an account with StoryChief, you automatically have a platform through their site to publish, and StoryChief has an open API, so you can basically publish your content anywhere. You can publish immediately or schedule for a future date. Let's say you publish to all of your channels and then you realize you made a mistake. It happens to the best of us. You can edit directly in StoryChief and it will dynamically update across every other platform. You can also gather data and insights using StoryChief's analytics platform. See impressions, views, and reads across all of your channels. Plus, you can see your SEO ranking for each piece so you can further optimize your content marketing efforts. This tool is perfect for copywriters, bloggers, marketers, and SEO specialists. Whether you're writing on your own and need a multi-publishing tool, or work with a team where collaboration is a must, StoryChief will save you time, energy, and endless headaches. Add this no dev required content marketing automation powerhouse to your arsenal today. You can also gather data and inserts. You can gather coupon inserts below to be the chief of your story. Ooh. You like that? HubSpot powered blog. Start from the beginning.